Well, it's a nice, crisp morning, and I was actually going to drag the toolbox out and do some work on my never-ending project over there, but it's too cold. I'm going to go back in and sit on the heater and probably fall back asleep. But anyhow, well, hell, let's do a cold start this morning. I haven't done one yet, and it's 20 degrees, and we'll see if that old pig will start. I still got everything tore apart. That looks like crap. We're gonna put I got an aluminum piece of sheet aluminum that's gonna go in here, and then all my custom gauges are gonna go in. Yeah, someday. Nope, she wanted to go. Well, that ain't bad for no glow plugs and no grid heater. I get just a little puff of smoke when I first start up. I don't know what that's from, but it does it whether it's warm or cold. But it must be a little erect this morning. But there you go. There's my cold start.